upbeat, energetic music playing in the background. Are you tired of power outages ruining your day? Worried about unreliable power sources when you're off-grid? Then get ready to say goodbye to power anxieties with the AFERY P310. This isn't your average portable power station. The AFERY P310 boasts a massive 3,840-watt capacity. That's enough power for your laptops, tools, even high-powered appliances. And you can expand that to a mind-blowing 11,520 watt by adding just 2 extra batteries. Quick shots highlighting different ports and features. Imagine powering your entire home during a blackout, running your workshop anywhere, or enjoying uninterrupted camping adventures. The AFERY P310 makes it all possible. But it's not just about power, it's about smart power. Control everything from your smartphone with our dedicated app. Monitor battery levels, schedule charging, and manage your power usage, all remotely. And with its incredibly durable LiFePO4 battery, you're looking at a lifespan of up to 11 years. That's thousands of charge cycles without significant capacity loss. This isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in reliable power for years to come. Plus, the built-in UPS ensures seamless power transitions during outages, all within 10 milliseconds. No more data loss, no more interrupted workflows, simply uninterrupted power. Dramatic music swells. Don't wait until the next power outage leaves you in the dark. The AFERY P310 is more than just a power station, it's your peace of mind. Shot showing the power station with various devices plugged in. Host: for a limited time, we're offering a special discount and free shipping. Click the link in the description below to learn more and grab yours before they're gone. Don't miss out on the power you deserve. Screen displays website address and special offer details. Upbeat music fades out.